At Realtracs, we aim to provide feature-rich solutions that uncomplicate your real estate business. And that's why Realtracs is the only technology product working in the MLS space in the entire country to design, build, and fully integrate a showing service into our platform. No need to pay for and learn how to use another third-party tool. Realtracs Showings is just part of our technology platform. And the best part? It's included in your monthly subscription at no additional cost. We're increasing your exposure and boosting your efficiency. Our showing service allows you to quickly schedule and confirm showings, easily view and manage your upcoming and past appointments, empower your clients to manage their showings, and so much more. Let's dive into the how. With Realtracs Showings, the listing agent simply sets up the showing availability and details for their listing right from our listing management system. When adding a new listing, navigate to the Office and Showing section and scroll down. Realtracs Showings is pre-selected for you. Next, fill in the showing settings. For those properties that are Go and Shows, toggle on Auto Accept to let Realtracs accept a showing request automatically for you. You can also allow multiple buyers to see the property at the same time here with a maximum of 4. 60 minutes is pre-selected for appointment duration. You can change to 15 or 30 minutes here. Then, choose how you wish to be notified of a showing request: text, email, or both. Showing instructions allows you to add notes for the buyer's agent, such as how to access the property, if there are kenneled animals, alarm codes, etc. Please note, the buyer's agent only sees these after a showing request has been accepted. Under the Collaboration section, Request Feedback is selected for you already. To allow your seller to be part of the showing process, toggle this on. To ensure your sellers can take part, you must let them know that they are required to opt into Realtracs messaging to participate and view their selling portal. When the listing is published as Coming Sooner active, they will receive this text. They must tap on the link here to opt in. The seller will not receive any showing text messages regarding their listing if they do not opt in. Once they opt in, they will be able to access their own portal via the text link to accept, decline, or cancel showing appointments and view all upcoming and past appointments in their portal. If you turn this on, feedback provided by the buyer's agent can also be seen by your seller in their portal. Add your seller's contact information here, like this. Select when showings can begin and when they must end here. Create a scheduling buffer up to 24 hours here to help your sellers prepare for a showing, and you can even restrict specific days or times from the calendar should the seller need to do so. Next, just complete the listing. Then, publish it as Coming Sooner active. To change one of your current listings over to the Realtracs Showing Service from another showing service, go to My Listings, Listing Management, and find the listing you wish to change. Select the paper pencil icon here, navigate to the Office and Showing section, and follow the same steps as before. When a new showing is requested by a buyer's agent, the listing agent will receive a text and/or email message with a link to their showing activity. If the seller was included, they will also receive a text with the link to their showing portal. To manage, approve, or decline requests to show, tap the link in the text or the email, and you can also do this from our website. Under the Showings tab, select Seller Appointments. If you kept request feedback on, following a showing, the buyer's agent will receive a feedback request via email. Those can be managed under the Feedback tab here. If the listing status changes to a hold, under contract not showing, closed, or canceled prior to a showing appointment that's already been scheduled, Realtracs will automatically cancel the showing for you. To email one showing agent or all previous showing agents, simply click on the email icon here. Enter the property address, select the email recipients here, add a subject line, and email body, and then you can choose to review and select recipients to send the email to. Using the filter icon, you can change what you're viewing on this page. Each column under appointments and feedback are also sortable, ascending or descending, like this. If there are too many to sort through, you can also search for the one you're specifically looking for just by searching the MLS number or address here. We build software that cuts through the noise, empowering your business with simple but cutting-edge solutions to boost your efficiency while increasing your exposure. At Realtracs, we've got you covered.